Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
Blatantly, they're just saying it. They're saying women are being taken and men are being taken for their labor. I don't know how they can be more clear.
Yeah, that's part of it. All right.
Crunch.
Really, dude?
One eternity later.
Up here.
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus! Jesus!
Oh, bless. I think we missed
Oh, no, it's still going. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Jesus, Jesus.
it. Oh my God, baby.
Three days later.
I started by draining all the fluids out of this thing, and then I just worked on stripping it down piece by piece. And once I'd made some decent progress, I found a couple of interesting things. First off, this blow-off valve, this thing's barely on here, dude. The rad completely exploded. Everything in here is just full of dust. I kept digging, got the timing chain cover off, popped off one of these guides, and boom. You guys can see right here the tensioner is completely, with the tensioner being that bad and the chain being as loose as it was, there's still a chance that this thing slapped the valves.
Free information guide that reveals the secrets behind your industry doesn't want you to know, including the 5 ways to get rid of it. Call now and get this answer cancellation guide absolutely free.
Call 800-330-2929. 800-330-2929. Whatever you do, don't buy an engagement ring. Die! Until you discover the all-new...
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.